Many Americans dream of building wealth, being financially secure, and being able to retire in dignity. With more and more Americans nearing the age of traditional retirement, the need for a proper financial management plan is becoming more essential. Not only is it more pressing for the aging individuals, but for their families and society as a whole as well. Without a comprehensive plan or the education to maintain self-sufficiency in the latter years of life, the burden of financial care inevitably falls upon the family. Many people are reaching retirement with little or no money in the bank. It is clear that planning for the financial future is an issue that has generally been seriously neglected.
Middle Americans are faced with two major financial issues today. The first one is dying too soon. The next one is living too long. With over 1 million baby boomers expected to live to age 100 or longer, running out of money before you die is a realistic possibility.
For people who retire today, we have a lot of concerns different from what maybe our fathers and grandfathers had years ago. At the turn of the 20th century, beginning of the 20th century, the average lifespan was 45 years. Today, it's well into the 70s and much higher for young people today. So when you realize how long people are going to live after they stop working, if they choose to stop working, there's a great deal of need for special planning, important planning, and making sure there's enough money there.
Furthermore, consumer debt in America is near record levels. Whether with loans or credit cards, the buy now, pay later mentality is prevalent in our society. In fact, recent studies have shown that the average family spends more money annually than it earns.
There are significant problems that are occurring with the spending habits and therefore the lack of savings for Americans, and this is middle Americans and pretty much all of America. The concern I have that's greater than anything else is that people aren't paying themselves first. They're not saving. They're not setting up basic protection. The amount of credit card debt today is startling. People are buying things when they want them. They're buying things on a whim, and they're going into debt. And it's very, very concerning, the amount of credit card debt, the amount of interest payments that people have, and they're neglecting some basic things like saving and protection, which could devastate a family if that kind of family planning is not properly done.
Between the cost of living and a failing Social Security system, the possibility of a good retirement moves further and further out of the reach of middle America.
One of the things that should concern all Americans is the ability of the government to keep their promises to Social Security. I'm not a naysayer saying they won't, but I certainly wouldn't want to be dependent upon anything outside of myself for that.
The key is education. Learning about sound financial planning principles such as debt reduction, life insurance, routine saving and retirement. The average person can avoid many troubles in life.
What we find in the educational system is that there's no education on financial matters such as planning for retirement. There's no education that teaches families these important things that they'll need to know in life.
I think there's a big knowledge gap with young people, or actually middle-aged people, the American people. I don't think they really have anything in their educational system as they've come along in life to really introduce them to sound concepts of planning for the future, saving, investing, and being on a sound financial footing.
HBW Insurance and Financial Services, a nationwide company in delivering proven financial products, seeks to help build wealth for the vast underserved middle American consumer. The products and services HBW offers are designed to help people properly protect their families, while helping them reach their financial goals and achieve their dreams. The companies that HBW represents offer highly competitive products and represent impeccable financial credentials to provide the highest level of value and security for their clients and representatives.
Wouldn't it be great to have a plan that no matter what happens to the world, the economy, the stock market, or within your personal life, no matter what happens, if you had a plan, that you were on track to have the quality of life that you seek?
Some of my clients that I've, actually have worked with over the last, 15 years or so, since joining HBW, we've been able to do a great job for them in the area of, really teaching them how to get out of debt. I've been able to teach clients to get out of debt, been able to teach them how to save money. I have clients now that started saving money with me a few years ago, saving, $25, $50 a month, that today save $1,000 a month.
HBW is committed to the principles of sustainable development. We strive to help educate Americans on how to relieve some of their financial burdens, and will continue to focus on the educational process for our sales force, as well as continually searching for products and companies geared toward addressing the issues of the people we serve.
We look at their life insurance, we look at their disability insurance, we look at their long-term care insurance. We look at all these different things to see if there's ways that we can substantially reduce their expenses so that we can shift more money towards investments. And then we look at the very best investment vehicles that are available for them and help them to really increase how their money is compounding and growing.
We understand that some changes are necessary in order to keep improving the execution of our mission.
We offer a broad array of services. We are able to help people with life insurance, long-term care, disability insurance, annuities, retirement planning, mutual funds, mortgages, debt elimination, basically every area of financial services that an individual family would need to be concerned about can be addressed through the resources that are available.
HBW is the company that is giving hope to the people that are achieving what they want, what they need, especially in the middle class families.
A new outlook on financial education and planning will result in a better lifestyle for Middle Americans, not only by helping them save money and ensuring peace of mind, but by helping them reach their financial goals and achieve their dreams.